and gentlemen, winners never quit. People remember winners not because they never lost, but because they never quit. Every champion you admire today once stood where you were. Tired,
Gracias.
doubtful,
Thank you very
ready
much.
to give up, but they didn't. When the road got hard, they kept moving. When the dream seemed impossible, they believed. When failure knocked them down, they stood up one more time. Winners understand this truth. Quitting guarantees failure. Trying gives you a chance to win. Think about Thomas Edison. He failed over 1,000 times before the light bulb came to life. People called him crazy. He simply said, I have not failed. I have found 1,000 ways that won't work. That's the spirit of a winner. Michael Jordan cut from his high school basketball team. Years later, he became the greatest basketball player of all time. Not because he never missed a shot, but because he never stopped shooting. The truth is, life will test you. You will be rejected. You will face days when quitting feels easier than
Gracias.
continuing.
Thank you very much.
But in that moment, remember this: the pain of discipline lasts a little while, the pain of quitting lasts a lifetime. Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dream. Winners don't quit for the perfect moment. Winners don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. They don't run from storms. They walk through them. They don't ask, will it be easy? They ask, will it be worth it? So, when your mind says, I can't, tell it, was me. When the world says it's over, tell them I am just getting started. Because winners are not the strongest, not the fastest, not the luckiest. They are the ones who refuse to quit. And if you refuse to quit, one day they will call you a winner. Losers quit when they are tired. Winners quit never. Winners are not born. They are made in moments of struggle, in the face of defeat. Anyone can start. Few have the courage to finish. Quitting is easy. That's why most people do it. But winners, they keep moving when others stop. Every failure is a step forward if you get back up. Pain is temporary, quitting lasts forever. When you are tired, keep going. When you are scared, keep going. When they say you can't, smile and keep going on. Because winners are not the fastest or the luckiest. They are simply the ones who never quit.